Okay, yeah, okay. Just stand right there.
Put my hands up in a weird place.
Yeah.
Exactly. Move the tinfoil a little to the left.
Well, they all have tinfoil roofs. They're all scared of the
Yeah.
government and stuff, scanning their brains, I think, down in the States.
Yeah, it's true. So I'm down here in hillbilly land. I'm a redneck myself. So I'm down here in Tennessee.
We couldn't tell by the accent.
Self-identified redneck. I like it.
We're proud of it, and there's no problem about it. You know what I mean?
I love it. So what do you got there, Houston?
All right, so we got right now. This is my car right here. This is a '66 GTO. It's F3 Pro Charged. See if I can get down here so you guys can see it and stuff. But
that thing looks like it's gonna be mean.
You might have a couple dollars tied up in that.
Yeah, just it costs more in my house. Hey, gearhead life. That's how it is. But yeah,
good for you, man.
That's right. Just building a GTO. I did all the tube work on it. It's all chromoly, 4-link car. I did all the TIG welding. Got with my uncle, and he's been building race cars for a long time and stuff. And I was like, hey, man, I want to learn too. And 2 years later, got this thing going, and we went into business together. So now I'm building them for a living too. So
no way.
That's awesome.
Spiraled out of control. I'll show you guys through the rest of the shop here if the signal and stuff will work here. Show you guys another truck I'm working on right now. Let's see here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see here. Camera's being all weird. Right there is a 4-wheel drive truck I'm working on right now. And then there's some Jeeps.
So is this at your house, or is this the shop you work out of, or a little of both?
It's all in one.
You got a little cot in the back, yeah? You just don't ever leave, eh?
That's right. You just don't even know it's there. But working on Jeep Scrambler. It's an LS swap deal, 2-chassis car. And then right over here, this is going to be a mega truck. It's got
cool.
Wow.
Tractor tires on it. It's a Hemi-powered machine. Let's see here. What else we got? Oh, and we're in junior dragsters too. So this is my old car hanging up on the wall back here.
Yeah.
And my little cousin, she's going to be racing my car, but it's got a different body on it. Here it is in the floor and stuff.
Wicked cool.
Oh, yeah.
That is cool.
And then don't throw away old race cars. You just hang them up in the shop, right?
Yeah, decoration. So then I feel like I have to ask you the same question. Yep. Do you also scream? Do you scream when you're going down the track?
Do I scream? No. Now, at the other end, I kind of feel like I've got like a mixture of, you guys watch King of the Hill, any?
Yeah.
Got Hank and all them guys. You know that guy, Boomhauer, that's on there?
You know what? That checks out. It checks out.
Like at the end of it, I'm like, yeah, man, the daggum hot rod, man, the thing was on fire, but man, we got to the end of it.
I think he doesn't even wear a fire suit. He takes his shirt off, puts his overalls on. He's like, I'm good.
Yeah.
We're good.
I'm good. And just you get to the top end up there and just like, did y'all get it on film? Was the cameras on?
Cool.
But,
wicked cool, man.
Yeah, that shop is making me jealous. You guys don't got to rub it in. One of these days, we'll move down south. We'll talk with an accent. We'll have a real hot rod shop.
Now, hey, man, seriously, though, you guys have got a wicked shop, and what you guys have got going on is really, really cool. Just something out of like a little inspirational deal. My best friend, Jesse Gardner, he actually turned me on to your guys' channel. And
oh man, your internet. Walk backwards.
Stuff. And on Instagram, me and him went and done like this little video and stuff. We went and picked up his dream car. He finally saved him up enough money and stuff. And we found a 55. It's a 4-door and stuff, and we've been rebuilding it. And I tell you guys, after seeing y'all's channel and what y'all done with the 57 and stuff, man, you guys have got something really cool going on. And
thanks, man. We appreciate that. You know, the internet's so cool. It's made the world kind of so small. You know, like you can talk to someone about their hot rods or do whatever just for a few minutes, and everyone just kind of vibes off everybody. I love it. Like I'm no different than anybody else. Like like I watch someone else's video. If I don't really feel like it, like, oh, I don't want to go in the garage. So I just turn on YouTube or whatever, and you watch someone welding or grinding or whatever. You're like, oh yeah, okay, get out there and do something, right? And I think and that just kind of goes around. Everybody wins.
Yeah, man. It's somebody asked me the other day, why do you stay out in the shop so long? Why do you work crazy late hours? Why do you come inside? Your clothes tore all to pieces. Your hands black and bloody and all that stuff. Man, this stuff it's an art, but it's a passion too. It's one of those deals where, man, you build it and you see it coming together. You got those gears turning up in your head too. You can see it, and then when you make it happen, it's magic. It's a really cool deal.
Oh, you could be more right. And my favorite thing too, like, when you go somewhere, people are always like, "Oh, where'd you get that car?" And you're like, "Well, I built it. It's not someone else's. It wasn't like you just, went on eBay or Barrett Jackson or everything. It's mine. Like it's
your blood is literally on so much of the car.
Like it's my car, and I just love that. And then when you sell some down the road, it's like, oh, that's so and so's old car. That's Houston's old hot rod. You're like, oh, that's kind of cool too. You know what I mean?
The legacy that it builds.
Yeah, it's neat.
Totally.
It's neat. And YouTube brought a whole new meaning to that now, yet again. But that's cool. Well, hey, right on, man. Thanks so much. Keep doing your thing, and we'll do it again. I would like to see your shop for sure. As stuff comes in, we got to get back in there once that GTO gets a little further along.
Yeah, man. We'll have to make some passes here for long, and light the fires and kick the tires. You know what I mean?
Right, man. Thanks so much, eh?
Thanks.
Have a good night, buddy.
See y'all. Have a good one.
Hit it out of the park tonight. Well, thanks, Joe. Every now and again.
Thank you.
I wing it, and every now and again, to see the pants, it works.
You wing it a lot, and it always seems to work. It's impressive.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that was such a nice note to end on.
That was good, man. Yeah, Houston was a cool dude. That was awesome. It was great. So thanks to anybody who let us into their shop or whatever.
Well, alrighty, guys. Hope you all enjoyed that. I really, really appreciate DD Speed Shop letting us come on and do a live feed talk with them. It was very last minute, unprepared, unscripted, very raw. By all means, we very much hope we get to do that again with them sometime. This is just one of those deals where DD Speed Shop had put up a post, and they're like, hey, we're looking for people to send in pictures and if they want to be on the show. And it was one of those deals that just happened to work out. For the longest time, I almost didn't get on. I was having problems getting connected to them. And finally, with the app and stuff they were using, depending on what kind of phone you have to turn your phone up vertical, and then you can actually see the accept button. If you've got it horizontal, it wouldn't let me push accept. And I was like, why is it not connected? And finally I figured out what was going on there. But I thought it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. I think they did too. It was one of those deals that happened to work out. I really enjoy watching their channel. If you guys are not subscribed to DD Speed Shop, I highly, highly suggest it. You probably have seen some pictures of some vehicles that they have been working on. They just done a giveaway of a red 4-door 57 Chevrolet, and that was some really, really cool YouTube episodes right there. So be sure and drop them a subscribe if you haven't already. Very, very cool bunch of people. But anyways, guys, this is something cool that just kind of randomly happened, and by no means anything was scripted. It was right off the toe there, man. It was really kind of crazy that happened, and it worked out good, and I thought it was really cool. But anyways, big shout out to DD Speed Shop. That's it for me. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm out here. Pick up a Freedom shirt. We've got those on the website, killmotorsports.com. See y'all later.